So friends, you can see here that I have converted your phone into iPhone. So you just have to do one setting. After that, your phone will be converted into iPhone. So let's start the video. After starting the video, you can see here, I am using an Android phone. You can convert any phone into iPhone. So you have to come to this app. As soon as you open this app, your phone will be converted into iPhone. Now you have to click on this setting. After that, by clicking on theme, you will get many options here, which you will have to select. You can apply after selecting them. Then, to download this app, you have to come to Play Store. After that, search for Muse Launcher. After that, you can download it by clicking on this. Just click on Open. It will be changed to iPhone. So if you like the video, then like, share, and definitely subscribe. See you in the next video.